morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Major General Bhaskar Chakravarti. I am the Director Admissions. On behalf of Honorable Founder President, the Chancellor and Vice Chancellor, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the Amity campus. I take it that you had a good round of the campus and got a feel of its vibrancy. Let's take the proceedings further. Now, before we do that, one small announcement. Those who have not uploaded their class 12th marks, please do so at the earliest. So we got in our midst Dr. Gurinder Singh. He is the Group Vice Chancellor and he's also the Director General of Amity International Business School. He heads our Greater Noida campus also, and he's been with Amity right from inception. He is the architect of all the foreign collaborations that we have with various universities the world over, and all the articulation arrangement that we have entered into these programs, it is his brainchild. So we couldn't have asked for somebody more competent and eminently suitable to make an opening remark today. May I therefore request Dr. Gurinder Singh to kindly take the podium, please.
First of all, a very warm welcome to all of you. As General Chakravarti was saying, that at Amity we have a system that every time a student applies to us, we take a two-way feedback. Through this process, we want that the parents, they should understand that what kind of courses we are offering. And if you have any questions related with the program, which your child has opted, you can ask those questions, and our very learned directors and very members, they will be very happy to answer your any queries. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate in asking questions. अगर आपके कोई भी सवाल हैं और आप हिंदी में भी questions पूछ सकते हैं, you can ask questions in any language of your choice, and we will be very happy to answer those questions. While I was entering into the hall, there were a number of questions which were asked by the parents के सवाल थे और पूछना चाह रहे थे यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में. And I told them that to be patient and we will give a presentation here. But I think that if we classify the questions which were coming since morning, one of the biggest questions the parents were asking was that how good our UG programs are. Right? So this was the first question I think you met, and then you said that how good your undergraduate programs are. I will touch on those programs. The second question which was coming was that how different we are. University, बाकी universities से different कैसे है? How I think that people were comparing us with the other universities also. So I will touch on the point that how we are different from the others. There were a few questions on the teaching pedagogy. हम पढ़ाते कैसे हैं? और सबसे important एक सवाल जो हर बार काफ़ी सारे parents पूछ रहे थे that how are the placements in this university? So this was another question which was coming in. So I will try to answer 4 or 5 questions, and I will leave it to General Chakravarti, who is going to give a presentation. He's going to the entire philosophy. First, what Amity is. Amity है क्या? And how we are different from the other universities. So let me give you a story of Amity, that how Amity was born. Dr. Chauhan, who is a founder of Amity Universities and Amity Institutions, after spending decades, almost 3-4 decades, he came back to India with one vision, with one aim, with one objective, that he has to contribute in the field of education. And I can say this with authority, this story, because I am with Amity from the day one. So when he came, he requested all the academicians, and these were the brainstorming sessions, I remember very clearly, where he used to ask this question to all of us, that why is it so that Indian in India is not successful, but Indian outside India is very successful? ये उनका सवाल था जब एमआईटी बन रही थी, कंसेप्चुलाइज हो रही थी, तो उनका एक सवाल उठता था, और वो सवाल ये होता था कि ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हिंदुस्तान में हिंदुस्तानी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान से बाहर जाके बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो जाता है. ये क्वेश्चन था उनका सारे एकेडमिशियन से. एंड ऑल ऑफ अस वी यूज्ड टू सिट टुगेदर एंड वी यूज्ड टू डेलिब्रेटेड व्हाई इज इट सो, बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट टुडे द डेटा, Fortune 500 companies. If you look at 37% of the companies which are in the list of the Fortune 500 companies, जो दुनिया की बेहतरीन companies हैं, 37% इसमें से जो लोग जो top positions पे बैठे हैं, those who are vice presidents, those who are presidents, those who are CEOs, those who are controlling these companies, they are from the Indian origin. 37%. So you can see that how Indians are doing well abroad. If you look at the leading universities and institutions in the world, you will find Indians are doing very well outside India. Very well. The Dean of the Harvard Business School, Indian. The Dean of the Cornell Business School, Indian. You look at the top faculty of Princeton, Yale, MIT, Stanford, Russell Group of Universities, Imperial, Cambridge, Oxford. You look at the list, and in the top faculties, you will find young, vibrant faculty is from India. So if Indians are the best professors, if Indians are the best CEOs, if the Indian managers are the best managers, why is it so that my child is not getting a right salary in the market? तो फिर ऐसा क्यों है? फिर हमारे देश में क्या हो गया? फिर ऐसा क्यों है कि मेरी कंट्री के अंदर ही उनकी सैलरी कम होती है? When they finish their graduation, they get a salary of 30 to 50,000 rupees. बाहर के मुल्कों में उनको 60,000 से $1 लाख तक सैलरी मिलती है. So this question was a question of Dr. Chauhan to the entire system. He used to ask this question to the system. He used to ask this question to India. He used to ask this question to all the industrialists, that why is it so that Indian in India is not successful, but Indian outside India is very successful. And we all came on a conclusion that it depends upon an environment. ये environment के ऊपर depend करता है कि आप बच्चे को किस environment में पालते हैं. वो एक जो छोटा सा बच्चा पीछे बैठा है, आपका बेटा है सबसे लास्ट में, कौन सी क्लास में? 7th में. तो बड़े ध्यान से सुन रहा है. एक 7th क्लास का बच्चा, ये छोटी सी एक बच्ची बड़े ध्यान से सुन रही है. मोबाइल है आपके पास? राइट. मैनी टाइम्स स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ के छुटकू सा बैठा हुआ है, ध्यान से सुनते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स खेलते हो? एक्सबॉक्स खेलते हो? शर्मा रहे? नहीं खेलते? ओके, गुड. But you will find that most of the parents whom we meet today, they have their set of problems. And when we speak to them, most of them, they ask these kind of questions, and a number of times I have given interviews on TV. And this is a very common phenomena that when we take morning walk in the morning, और एग्ज़ाम्स हो रहे होते हैं 12th में, तो हर एक पेरेंट एक ही सवाल पूछता है, डॉक्टर सिंह आप कुछ जादू कर दो कि मेरी बेटी के 100 में से 100 नंबर आ जाएं. Can you do some magic? My daughter, she should get 100 out of 100. Right? Can you tell us few tips that my daughter is very nervous, that she should get very high marks? Very high marks. Right? So normally we keep on advising, we keep on giving them tips. But let me tell you that Dr. Chauhan asked a question, that is the marks only criteria of judging students? Well, we do value at MIT that marks are very important, and year after year we are producing toppers. This year the CBSE topper is MIT student. Noida, यहाँ से हमारी बच्ची ने top किया. Most of our students, they scored above 95 in our schools, in MIT international schools. But still we have a question, and the question is that is it only marks which are important? मैंने भी एक उस पे CNN में इंटरव्यू दिया था. You can if you want you can check it at the YouTube where I spoke that वो एंकर ने पूछा कि do you think Dr. Singh that anyone who has got 70% marks has any hope in India? And I said that anyone who's getting 70% has every hope in India. Right? Our teaching pedagogy is very different. We need to understand students. Sometimes I feel that parents are more worried than the students, and they are putting so much pressure on the youngsters that they are not able to perform. एक बच्चा फुटबॉल खेलना चाहता है, कोई म्यूजिक करना चाहता है, कोई थिएटर करना चाहता है. Do you think that they will not be able to earn money? वो खाना नहीं खा पाएंगे, वो खुश नहीं रह पाएंगे. But what we are trying to do is that the child who is 10-year-old, who is 13-year-old, who is 14-year-old, we are giving our dreams to our children. They are your dreams, they are not dreams of your children. ये नए ज़माने के बच्चे हैं, इनके नए शौक़ हैं, इनके नए dreams हैं. At MIT, we try to identify why our students are able to score above others, why we are able to get our university amongst the top brands in the world, why we have got the best ranking, why this is the best private university of the country, why our students are topping in all the boards. You need to understand it. It is the philosophy of Dr. Chauhan. Because he wanted that each child who comes to us, we should be able to understand it. पहले तो उसको समझना बड़ा ज़रूरी है बच्चे को. वो चाहता क्या है? Right? Most of us as parents, we are more interested. Right? कई parents आते हैं जो गांव से, वो चाहते हैं बच्चे को एक ही दिन में अंग्रेज़ी बोलनी आ जाए. तो कोई अंग्रेज़ी बोलना तो कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं है. Right. If you look at language, we can teach language. We can make you fluent in English in 3 months. That's what we can do very easily. And in our all programs, we have softer skill classes. We can give language. You provide us, any student will be able to give him language. You want him to become an orator, we can make him orator within 6 months. We have the programs. But what we are looking for is that what is the ultimate goal of that child? What he wants to be in his life. वो हंसता भी है कि नहीं हंसता, वो रिस्पेक्टफुल भी है कि नहीं, वो पेरेंट से बात कैसे करता है, उसका नेचुरल फ्लेयर भी है मैथमेटिक्स में कि नहीं है, उसको इकोनॉमिक्स एक्साइट भी करती है कि नहीं करती. हर एक आदमी तो इकोनॉमिस्ट नहीं बन सकता. इज ही गुड इन अकाउंटिंग? व्हाट ही वांट्स टू बी. इफ अ गर्ल वांट्स टू कम, एक दिन सवाल पूछा एक बच्चों से, व्हाट यू वांट टू बी, तो यू वांट टू बिकम अ प्रेसिडेंट. सो उस लड़की ने कहा, यस आई वांट टू बिकम अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अ कंपनी. तो मैंने कहा बहुत अच्छा विजन है. यू हैव गॉट अ गुड गोल दैट यू वांट टू बिकम अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंपनी, बट डू यू नो दैट बीइंग द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कंपनी, यू मे बी दैट यू नीड टू ट्रैवल 25 days इन अ मंथ. ट्रैवल कर पाओगे 25 दिन? आप कर पाती हैं? नो. तो जब आपको मालूम है कि आप 25 दिन जब सफ़र कर ही नहीं सकती, तो आप प्रेसिडेंट क्यों बनना चाहती हैं? So we need to understand that what is the ultimate goal of a person, and that is how the pedagogy of MIT is very different. If a student has got a dream, right, we provide them a platform to achieve that dream. But we also teach them how to dream. सपना देखना भी एक कला है, ये भी सिखाया जाता है. झूठे सपने मत देखो. So we try to give them the realistic dreams so that the child who is there is fit, physically fit. होना भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. So we try to make them physically fit. We want to make them alert, mentally alert. We want to make them smart, and all these features result into their academic scores also. हमारी teaching pedagogy बड़ी different होती है. हम class में बड़ा differently पढ़ाते हैं. Before a teacher enters into a class, he gives the entire session plan. For example, if it is marketing, he is going to talk everything on marketing. If it is international business, he is going to put on the Amazon everything on international business. Finance, तो finance के बारे में सब कुछ पता होगा. Then professor will come in the class, and in the class he is going to talk on a topic which he is covering. तो बच्चे को घर से पढ़ना पड़ता है. So he does extensive study. So if he is not a good reader, he automatically becomes a good reader. In the class, if he is an introvert, he will automatically becomes an extrovert, because classes are such where the professor is going to ask question. वो सवाल पूछता है और बच्चे को जवाब देना पड़ता है. So he is not talking in the class. He is provoking student to speak in the class. जैसे वो बच्चा शर्मा गया था ना जवाब देते हुए, तो अगर 2 क्लासेस करेगा, अटेंड करेगा, तो ही विल स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. जो बच्चे स्टैमर करते हैं उनकी स्टैमरिंग दूर हो जाती है. Those who are not friendly, they become friendly. Those who are introvert, they become extrovert. Those who are not team players, they become team player. क्योंकि क्लास में बैठ के बोलना तो आपको सबको साथ लेके चलना पड़ेगा. तो उस आदमी को इज्जत करनी आती है लोगों की. That how he has to sit in the society. So वो इज्जत करनी सीखता है, बात करनी सीखता है. So teaching pedagogy is such that before the class, in the class, and after the class, after every class he has to write. तो उसको लिखनी पड़ती हैं reports. So if he is a poor writer, he becomes an excellent writer. If he doesn't know finance, he has to learn finance. If he has poor English, his English becomes very good. We have got 47 committees and clubs, and compulsory they have to pick up 2. 2 कमेटियाँ में से एक चुननी पड़ती है उसको. So this builds his personality. Sports is an integral part of the curriculum. A very safe campus. So entire pedagogy is such which can actually create good individuals, which can create better professionals. And that is the reason that university is not focusing on only providing jobs. उन्होंने पूछा था आपने कि हम लोग जॉब प्रोवाइड करते नहीं करते, हम नहीं करते। तो जब मैं जा रहा था तो इन्होंने पूछा कि आप जॉब आप प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ये आपका सवाल था। तो मैंने कहा था हम जॉब प्रोवाइड नहीं करते। फिर इन्होंने कहा कि आप डिग्री प्रोवाइड करते हैं, तो मैंने कहा नहीं, हम डिग्री भी नहीं देते। और मैं चला गया तो उनके पीछे से इनका कमेंट आया था, बता दूं? इनका कमेंट था, ना जॉब देता है ना डिग्री देता है, देता क्या है? ठीक है, आपकी बात बिल्कुल ठीक है, ना हम डिग्री देते हैं, देने वाली चीज़ ऐसे दी जाती है। एजुकेशन भीख में नहीं मिलती। Even if I want to give the best job to my daughter, I will not be able to provide her. Right? She has to earn it. Degree is not given in donation. ये ऐसे दी नहीं जा सकती. You have to earn it. और यही फ़र्क है 25,000 और $70,000 में. The one institution or a university which gives degree or which says that we promise job, वो 25,000 देती है. हम नहीं कहते कि हम कुछ देते हैं, मगर हम अपने बच्चों को 70,000 का जॉब देते हैं. So that is what we try to do, that we want our children to pick up right courses. They should do right internships. If a person is smart, he will pick up the right internship projects right from the very beginning. अगर ये बच्चा स्मार्ट है तो हम इसको जर्मनी भेजेंगे और इसको right project देंगे. And if he is good and he is doing a good job there, then let the company offer you a job. We will not offer you a job. You will earn a job for yourself, and that which is globally competitive. So we have kept study abroad programs, which are the integral part of our curriculum. All students who come under our management domain and are picking up the programs in international business, management, finance, accounts, eco, they are sent for on a 5-week program which is abroad. All students, they are given an option to take up internship abroad program. ये एक नया प्रोग्राम है जो कोई यूनिवर्सिटी दुनिया की इशू नहीं करती, हम करते हैं, और इसीलिए हमारे बच्चे एक्सेल कर रहे हैं. We give them an option if you want to pick up internship across the globe. अमेरिका में करना चाह रहे हैं, we help you. You want to pick up in Australia, we will help you. You want to do in Singapore, we can help you. And we can do that because we have campuses there. 15 जगहों पे हमारे campuses हैं. We have got those campuses. If you want to work with these companies, we help these students, and that is how we place these students. Every Thursday, there is a CEO forum. And on this very stage, 3 CEOs, they come here, and parents, they can ask questions to the students who are sitting, they can ask questions to these CEOs. For example, if I request the gentleman who is sitting here with the gray hair, you need to come here and give the experiences of your life. आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी की experiences बताने. वो काफ़ी elder parent बैठे हैं हमारे, आप एक मिनट खड़े होंगे? हाँ, आप एक मिनट ऐसे हाथ हिलाइए. अगर मैं इनको कहूँ कि आपको let's say if I give a lecture on agrarian economy, maybe I will not be able to give you those insights. But if our elder and wiser parent comes and speaks only for 10 minutes on what he has earned in his life and what he has lost in his life, that will be more effective. अगर आप अपना तजुर्बा बताएंगे तो वो मेरे लेक्चर से बेटर होगा. That is what we do. We call 3-4 CEOs here, right? And they speak to the students. वो students से बात करते हैं और students उनसे सवाल पूछते हैं और हम उनका जवाब देते हैं. And that is how our pedagogy is different. हम अपने बच्चों को मरने के लिए छोड़ नहीं देते, हम उनकी केयर करते हैं. Many times the parents they do ask us questions. हमारे बच्चे सारा दिन मोबाइल पे लगे रहते हैं, वो सारा दिन Xbox खेलते हैं. तो मेरा एक बड़ा उनको छोटी सी राय होती है जो मैंने अक्सर दी है, that we are living in a different age. हमारा ज़माना different था, ये नए दौर का नया ज़माना है, ये different है. On an average, if we go into the class, 20 years back when I used to go in the class, I used to write on the board and students used to copy it. I used to speak and students used to say, good teacher. At the end, they were getting their degrees, they were being placed. Today, when I go into the class, I see more laptops, more MacBooks. more iPhones. If I'm speaking from here, he's checking his mails. He's checking his mails. He's checking data. That whatever I'm talking, is it making sense? Right? Is it so that the dean of the Cornell is Indian? He is. He's checking. Someone else is checking. And you can't lose your temper. Earlier teachers, they used to lose their temper. अगर वो पढ़ाते थे और कोई और कुछ चीज़ पे काम lose, we can't. Because 85% of the students, they are communicating with their machines. ये machine के साथ communicate. नए दौर का ज़माना है. हम भी करते हैं. So if you are giving your class, somebody is on the Facebook, someone is on mobile, someone is checking it. You accept it or reject it. This is a reality. So we have not given birth to the saints. ना हम संत हैं, ना हमने संतों को पैदा किया. So if we are in reality, we need to understand it. Rather, we need to go step by step, how to bring a student who has lost his focus again back to the focus, which is important. How we can bring him close to the nucleus. उसको values के पास कैसे लेके आना है. And the moment you try to bring him closer to the orbit, automatically his score will go high. This is what MIT is doing. So meaningful internship, meaningful placements, extensive industry interaction. और बड़ा छोटे-छोटे चीज़ों से सिखाते हैं उनको. For example, the student who is coming up, a company a week, value a week. एक हफ्ते में एक वैल्यू लर्न करनी है और एक कंपनी के बारे में सोचना है. छोटी सी चीज़ है. And if this boy is able to concentrate a company a week and a value a week, right, you can see that within a year where he will be growing, and within 3 years where he can grow, right? And that is how the students, they do it. If a new product is coming in, our students, they do evaluation of that product. If Nestle is coming up with a new product, our students, we give them a project, do evaluation of this project. Is it acceptable in the market? They do that. They write their project to Nestle. And someone looks at, oh, 19-year-old is writing this kind of report. They want to speak to them. And then they go to Mumbai or anywhere in the world. And the faculty flies with them. They give a presentation, and then the director of the company says, I want him to be picked up for my internship project. And if he's doing well, he is picked up in the Nestle. That is how we place our students. So it's a bit different university. And if you look at the data of the university, we have produced many CEOs. We have produced many presidents. We have produced very successful entrepreneurs. But beyond that, what we have produced is excellent human beings. हमारे को फ़ख्र है कि हमारी बच्ची ने टॉप किया, उसके 99.6% मार्क्स आए. हमें फ़ख्र है कि हमारे बच्चों के 95% से ज़्यादा नंबर आते हैं. We are proud that our students, they get best placements. We feel very happy that they represent their country in sports. But above all, we feel great when our students, they go to their parents and they touch their feet. हमारे बच्चे अपने माँ बाप से ऊंची आवाज़ में बात नहीं करते. You can speak to any of my children. Randomly, you can pick anyone in MIT. The one who has studied at our portals, वो कभी बदतमीजी से बात नहीं करेगा. He will always go, he will try to hug his parents. सिखाया जाता है कि मिलो तो खुशी से मिलना है. हमारे